Are you in search for a lawn services expert to take care of your lawn? If so, you've come to the right place. We are proud to be the top lawn services company in your area. See why in the following video.
Tired of spending your whole weekends mowing your lawn? Tired of breaking your back in the hot sun trimming your shrubs? Do you love gardening but hardly have the time? We can help relieve this weekly burden and simplify your life. We work to maintain your lawn. We are your neighborhood lawn service. Our array of services will certainly answer your needs. Mowing lawns, trimming shrubs, replanting flower beds, spreading fresh mulch, etc. Our services are very reasonable and affordable. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Let us demonstrate the quality of our services. Once you hire us, we will become your go-to lawn care provider.
So contact us now and speak with one of the members of our friendly staff. Our lawn experts will be on their way promptly.